Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so if you guys clicked on this video, then you know today we're actually going to do a Borboleta unboxing with me, but it has been a little while since you guys have actually seen me. In the meantime, I have changed my hair. If you guys checked out my other channel, throughout this whole year, I've been on like a whole fitness journey, and so the purple was rinsing out too much, so we just had to go back to black. That's just really the whole story behind it. But without further ado, we are going to get into our Borboleta unbox with me. Unfortunately, today we only have one box, but just because it's one box doesn't mean it's not a good box. So yeah, let me grab my scissors and we will get to unopening. I have my scissors and let's get her open. You can only see like half the box because y'all don't need to know where I live, but if you'd like to send me something, DM me and we can work a little something out. All right, I know somebody probably should send me a box cutter, because last time we did one of these, no, I think it was like the second to last time, I cut myself. So yeah, but you think I would learn? No. We're just gonna cut away from ourselves and open her up. Bum, bada, bum. Right. Gonna get rid of all the plastic. Oh, we have some Borby bubbles. You guys, I love these. These are the best for making volume fans. The best. Like, I'm honestly shocked that they don't sell out of these more often because they're amazing. Next, oh wait. Sorry, I have two more of those. Wow, I ordered a lot of them. You guys ever forget like what you ordered? That's me all the time. And then we have like the airtight canister. I absolutely love this. You can put like your adhesive and everything like that. You put some beads in and then like it keeps everything airtight in a cool, dark place. Absolutely love this thing. And then we have here, I want to say these are Pro Prep trays. Am I right? I'm right. These again are amazing for like when you make volume fans. It kind of helps you like pre-plan sets. Like I do mega volume, so this comes in handy. Like when you've already been making fans for like 2 hours straight and your hands are starting to cramp up at that full set. All right guys, sorry about that. You kind of started to fall. But yeah, like I was saying, the Pro Prep trays are amazing. They come in handy. Like I also like do it by like different lengths, curls and stuff like that, and densities. So highly recommend this. And it's also time for a new tripod. Leave your recommendations down below. Next we have our Fluff Up brushes. These are the reusable like spoolie mascara wands. Absolutely love these. They come in like an aluminum chrome case. They're such a vibe. And then we have some Lash Bath Foam Cleanser. I had to restock just because my clients love these. They absolutely love these. The foam and the gel cleanser, they're in like the same not consistency, they're the same formula. Like they're made the same. It's just the consistency that's different. So whether you like foam or gel, it's kind of up to you. You're still getting an amazing product. But my clients really love the foam consistency, and so do I. And then last but not least, the only thing left in our box is some Borboleta lash serums. These are amazing. Like my clients who have had lashes for years but didn't have like the proper lashes to like support the weight or like the density that they wanted, they've used this and now their like natural lashes are longer than they've ever been. Like we're mostly just adding on for fullness. Like it's no longer just length, but these are amazing. A lot of you guys have been asking me about Borboleta and like, you know, the best things to try and stuff like that. Please feel free to keep DMing me. It's Tweezer Happy on Instagram, or if you want to leave a comment down below for me, you can. But Borboleta has graciously given me an affiliate code. So if you guys would like to save 20% off your first order, just please use the code BRITTANYCAVACO at checkout and you guys will be able to save 20% off your first order. I also do have an affiliate link if you've ordered from there before. Just if you want to support your girl and support her business, feel free to click that link as well. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.